Asthma may be attributed to which among the following? Asthma is a chronic respiratory condition characterized by the inflammation and narrowing of the airways, which make it difficult to breathe. The primary cause of asthma is an allergic reaction involving the release of chemicals like histamine from the mast cells in the lungs. So these mast cells react to the allergens such as pollen, dust, or pet dander, causing inflammation, swelling, and increased mucus production in the airways, leading to asthma symptoms. So that means here the correct answer is option B, allergic reaction of mast cells in the lungs. Coming to option A, bacterial infections. While bacterial infections like pneumonia can cause respiratory problems, they are not the cause of asthma. Option C, inflammation of the trachea. Inflammation of the trachea as tracheitis is not specifically linked to asthma. Option D, accumulation of fluid in the lungs. This refers to the condition like pulmonary edema, which is often caused by the heart failure. It is not related to asthma. The answer is option B.